Gates open, they're up and racing. We have Mooney Money by the rail, moving a party outside. He's juggling act for A. Indy Hayes on the outside, third then by the rail, Botbo. Yes, Pogi, second last, and Pierce Fighter in behind them. As they make their first turn, we have Mooney Money in command, followed by Juggling Act. Then moving up by the rail, Pierce Fighter, Botbo in between runners, Indy Hay, and yes, Pogi. Now moving a party outside as they round at a 3/4 mile pole. Mooney Money in command by about 7 lengths. Then running in second is Juggling Act. Another 2 lengths back in third. Moving up is the Lone Gray Galloper. Yes, Pogi by the rail, Pierce Fighter, then comes Botbo and Indy Hay. Past the 900 meters mark, we have Mooney Money maintaining a 7 lengths lead over Juggling Act in second. Yes, Pogi is still in third, Botbo down in fourth, Pierce Fighter and Indy Hay. As they race at the last 600, no change with the leader, Mooney Money by about 4 lengths. Juggling Act now getting closer in second together with yes, Pogi. Then by the release, Botbo as they swing for home. Mooney Money still leading the field. Juggling Act now trying to get closer. So as yes, Pogi, Botbo by the rail with the last 200 meters. Juggling Act goes right for the lead over Mooney Money. Yes, Pogi is on the outside. Botbo by the rail with 100 to go. Juggling Act by about 4 lengths and is snatching the 2011 Pildercon Diamond 1 over Yes Pogi, close between entry number 4 Indy Hay and number 1 Mooney Money. Then comes Botbo.